Hi there, and today I'm going to share with you one of our advent calendars that we're going to be using this year, and that is the Lego Harry Potter advent calendar. So stay tuned. And welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kelly and I'm an American living in Denmark. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to be going over one of the advent calendars that we're using in our house this year, and this is part of my series of a countdown to Christmas to show you what Christmas is like for us in Denmark. And I know that you can get some of these advent calendars in different places, but Lego is actually a Danish company. So we thought this year that it could be really fun for our boys to have a Lego advent calendar. This is not something that they normally get. Usually in years past, they would just get a chocolate calendar, one of the cheap ones. But we thought we would change things up a little bit this year. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek about what is actually inside this advent calendar. If you look on it, you can get a good idea of some of the different pieces that are inside. You can see that there are some different characters and there's a little Christmas tree. I love the fireplace. That is going to be so exciting to see. But you can also get a very good idea of what's inside by the side box. And the side box shows you a lot of the pieces. The back also shows you kind of how to use the whole box, because the box for this Lego set is not something you're just going to open up and then toss out like maybe you do some of the other Lego boxes that you own. Since this is an advent calendar, you're going to be using this every day up until Christmas in the month of December. As you can see, it's got a flap that comes down and it makes this kind of scene from Harry Potter. If you look at it from the front, it opens like this. So when it opens like this, you can see there's some snow, and then here's part of the castle with a castle in the background and all of the doors for the advent calendar. So it makes a little backdrop of something you can use to set your pieces out on. I think this is going to be really cute and my boys are going to have a lot of fun with this. Let's go ahead and have a peek on what is inside. So you can cheat a little by opening it up like you would any other Lego set, but I'm doing this, of course, on a day when my children are not around, so they don't know that that is an option. Because part of what we love about Christmas in Denmark is the anticipation. There are a lot of things that they do every single day leading up until Christmas. And if you check out my blog, I'm gonna put a link up here. I actually have a post on my blog that talks about different traditions that they have in Denmark that helps them count down to the holiday. So you'll have to check that out. That's a really good read. But here is the inside. So the box, it actually feels kind of like an egg crate. Okay, so what do we have inside? So let's take a peek. Here, it looks like the building pieces. So it's not just pieces that they'll get every day, but they will get a different object. And in this case, this one is actually one of these table sets. So they're going to be getting a table set in one of the days. And then another is that they're going to be getting this flag stand with a yellow flag on it. So they can build that. That'll be fun. I really like how they're teeny tiny little things that they're building. It's not like a regular Lego set, you know, which would take a lot of time, but it's just one little piece. And then like I said, you know, when they're opening this up and then they're putting it here, well, let's put the flag stand here and let's put the table here. And like, it just feels like it's building anticipation. When are we going to be getting one of the characters? You know, so excited. Is Harry in there? I know that my boys were asking if Ron was in there, so I really hope he is. We'll just wait and see. Okay, and then another one, we have some more flags, and another stand, so they get to build some more with flags. This one is actually quite a big bag. And if you can see inside, when you open up the door, it's going to actually show you what it is. And it's going to show you what it looks like. I can't quite do that without destroying the box, and then my son would be quite upset with me. So it shows you on the inside what it looks like. So you're not getting something like this and saying, I have no idea what this is. You look a little bit closer. This is actually a little chessboard. And if you know Harry Potter, chess was really kind of important in the first movie and book. And so that is really a cute one. My boys love playing chess. Then we have the next one, which again is kind of a bigger bag. This one is really cool because you can see that it's actually going to be kind of a box that has the different signs on it. So you see that there's a Gryffindor, and then there's a Hufflepuff, and then there's the blue one for Ravenclaw and the green one for Slytherin. So that all of the different houses are represented there. Then the next one you can see is a box, and it looks like it's Harry's trunk because it also has Harry's owl inside. That is so cute. And then it is his official letter saying he's accepted into the school. So this is really a cute one. I like this one. It looks like it's some of Harry's personal belongings. Oh, and in my opinion, the Fils de la Resistance, we have Harry Potter himself. Little H on his sweater because you could remember that he got that H sweater from Ron's mom as a Christmas present. Oh, perfect for Christmas. Love that. The next one also has a lot of pieces, and you can see there the little green, it's the reef. So that one we have right here with the fireplace. So that will be a nice one, and it looks like it's got some cherries in it, but I think those are the holly berries that you have. Oh my gosh, and a treat if you ask me. One that I was not anticipating. This one looks like it's going to be Professor Mcgonagall. Oh my gosh. It's got her witch's hat and everything. I mean, it could be somebody else, but seriously, when I think of Harry Potter and I think of that witch's hat and I think of green, I think of Professor Mcgonagall. Oh, that is exciting. So far, we actually have 2 different figures, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Oh my goodness, the next one is also quite large. Pieces to build some of these different book sets. So you have all of them here. And like I said, when you open up the box, it will show you what it is. And there aren't that many pieces where you can't figure out how to build it. Ooh, this one is going to be fun. I know my boys are going to love that. It is the food. So you have a turkey in there, and you have a drumstick and a plate and whatever these things are. They look like ice cream or something. But that will be great if you've already got your table and you could go ahead and put some food on it. So you have this and this. My boys always get really excited whenever they get a Lego set that has like pizza or something in it, so they're really gonna like that. I can tell you that much right now. Oh my gosh, this one I absolutely love. I think that if Lego sells just a plain old snowman, I totally would get that. Oh, but it's a snowman with a witch's hat. Love it. Oh my gosh, it's even got like the twigs for the arms and everything. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, ooh, here we go, another person. It looks like it is Hermione. So far, 3 people in this box. Now, when it comes to getting Lego sets, in my children's eyes, they always want to know how many figures come with it. You know, they really love like the big trucks and the big vehicles and things. But when they find out that it comes with a lot of characters, they love that because sometimes they just play with the characters. All right, so where did we leave off here? Okay, another big bag, and this one is going to be another table. So that'll be great because we're getting quite a few people, so we can get them at different tables. And it looks like there's some candles inside. And you know from Harry Potter, they don't use electricity. They have everything with candles and magic, and so that'll be really neat. The next one is kind of confusing. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it's black and red. And when I look at the picture description, it looks like it's some type of camera.
Mini train right there, the Hogwarts Express. So that was one of the first ones that he got.
And then we also have another flagpole, which I think these are cute because it really helps set the scene for Harry Potter with all these different flags and signs and everything. Oh, and then we get into some more food. Yum. Looks like there's a little pie, and there's some cups and plates, and even little cookies. Do you see that? Let me get closer here. There's a little cookie in there. That is so cute, like a croissant and something or other. Again, the boys love anything that has to do with food, so I think that's going to be a lot of fun. And oh, who's this? Another character. So far we have Harry, Professor McGonagall, Hermione, and it looks like we have Dumbledore. Anybody else you know with a gray beard and a long gray hair. So really exciting. And they also come with little wands. It looks like there's 3 wands in there. That is fun. That is a lot of fun. I think we bought one of those Harry Potter packs at one point in time, and we got Mad-Eye Moody. Mad-Eye Moody in it? Is that how you say his name? And so we just had one wizard, but now we have a lot of other ones to go with it, so that's pretty exciting. Okay, we are on the last line, so I'm just going through one line at a time, and we are on the last line of Harry Potter Legos for this advent calendar. What do you think so far? Give me some comments. What were you expecting to find in here? Because obviously you can see some of the things on the box, but they're not all on here. Is there something that you're hoping to find in the last 6 before I get started? Also, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you love Christmas and if you love advent calendars. Or maybe you just love Lego. Okay, here we go. Yes. Ron, hello. And he's even got his little R on his sweater, just like Harry has his H on his sweater for Christmas. I love that they do that. Because when you watch the very first Harry Potter movie and you see that them wearing their sweaters, that's so cute. I love that they use that. Okay, the next one also looks like another big one, and it is the Christmas tree. I love this. Oh, and I kind of want to cheat and find out which number the Christmas tree is, but I'm not going to. And we know that when you open up an advent calendar, the numbers are all over the place. They don't go in order. So the order that I'm going through are not the order that you're going to be getting them out of the box. So that can be a nice surprise. You know what to expect. You know to look inside to find out how to build it. And to see if it's worth it. And in my opinion, anything Harry Potter, anything Lego is totally worth it. When you combine the two together, love it. And I most definitely am excited for this Christmas tree. Whenever we have a set of Legos, it's just the figures for Halloween. And I'm always asking my boys, you know, get the little witch and the vampire because I want to use it in my decoration. So I'm really excited to have a little Lego to decorate for Christmas this year. Of course, if they let me. What is this? I was not anticipating, but yet another character. Oh, and I forgot this fella's name. He is, I want to call him like Fizzy Wit or something, but he's the choir director. This is so cool because remember in Harry Potter that there's that section where they're singing Christmas carols, and yeah, that is so cool. So you have an extra figure, which is the choir director. All right, moving into the last 3. We have another flag set. So now, of course, we have Ravenclaw represented with the blue flag. So that's pretty nice that we're getting all of the houses represented with their flags. 2 more. Are we going to be finding the ones that you're hoping to see? What is this? Oh my gosh. This is so interesting. It is a figure, but it's not one of the characters from Harry Potter. to me, it looks almost like a statue. It's made completely out of gold Lego, and he doesn't have a face. He just kind of has like a head, and then he's got a helmet that goes over his face, but it's all gold. So I'm thinking this would be so great because, again, you open it up and you have the scene. Well, maybe you can put this statue somewhere. Oh, that is cool. Because you have like these like gargoyle type things on the wall. Then you can have your knight, your golden knight off in the distance. That is awesome. All right, guys, last one. And this one is a bit confusing if you ask me. It looks like, and if I look at the picture on the inside of the box, because it's nowhere here on the outside, it looks like it's two snow-covered trees because it's also got these stars that you can put on the top. And when you look at the picture, it's got the gold star and then white and then green and brown on the bottom. And so I actually think it is a snow-covered tree. But you get two of them in that pack, so that's kind of nice. And that could be just something fun to decorate this little area out here that's in snow, because this is the outside of the castle. So why not put your snow-covered trees there? But there you have it. That is the unboxing, not the creation, because that's going to be something done by my sons. But I'll give you an idea of what the Legos look like. I'll be putting posts on my Instagram. So check out my Instagram so I can show you every so many days what our Harry Potter scene looks like, so you can get a good idea. Thanks for coming along on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. And don't forget to come back for another video. So Merry Christmas to you from Denmark, and take care.